1. Currently available for sale is the unique 1985 Jaguar XJ6, priced at $4,500. With this car, with only 12,300 miles traveled, you open the door to the world of elegance and style from the British manufacturer, combining refined design and unparalleled driving experience. Equipped with an automatic transmission and an environmentally friendly green exterior, this XJ6 is a matching numbers car, emphasizing its originality and preservation. Power window controls, central locking, and an automatic sunroof create a comfortable driving experience, while air conditioning and heating systems provide satisfaction in any weather. The seller honestly notes that despite its reliability, the car has been in the garage for 4 years. However, recent updates, such as new fuel injectors and all fuel system components, power steering pump, and other details, give this XJ6 a second wind. The only flaw is cracked seats due to prolonged inactivity. This 1985 Jaguar XJ6 is not just a car. It's a guide to the era of luxury and classics. Ready for road adventures, it awaits its new owner for $4,500, offering a chance to experience the unique aesthetics and atmosphere of Old English style. 2. Currently available for sale is the impressive 1979 Ford Mustang, priced at $42,500. With only 1,400 miles on the odometer, this car not only embodies the classic beauty of the Ford Mustang, but also serves as a unique time capsule, offering an unparalleled driving experience. Powered by a 351 V8 engine and an automatic transmission, this Mustang features an exterior in striking silver, creating a captivating contrast with the red leather interior. The seller proudly asserts that the car is in excellent condition, retaining its original paint, providing a clean title, and having no serious damages or issues. This unique specimen, considered the last Ranchero 500 model of the 1979 production year, attracts the attention of collectors. It was part of a Ford dealer's collection for most of its life, making it a true time capsule. At the time of sale, the car has been brought into excellent mechanical condition with regular maintenance, new shocks, mufflers, exhaust pipes, carburetor reconstruction, new tires, and the installation of a new intake manifold gasket and valve cover gaskets. Additionally, a new retro sound radio has been installed while preserving the original radio. This 1979 Ford Mustang is not just a car. It's a living museum exhibit that, for $42,500, provides the opportunity to acquire not only a classic automobile, but also a part of automotive history. 3. Currently available for sale is the captivating 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, priced at $20,000. With a mileage of 100,000 miles, this car embodies not only the classic beauty of Chevrolet, but also a piece of history captured in every detail. An automatic transmission, bright red exterior, and black interior create an impressive contrast, highlighting the authenticity of this 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. The seller openly states that this 4-door Bel Air Post model is in very good condition and is valued in the range of $20,000 to $30,000. The seller is open to negotiations and offers the possibility of a deal within the $25,000 price range. They even invite you to provide photos and descriptions of your car for a potential exchange. This demonstrates honesty and a willingness to meet the needs of potential buyers. This Chevrolet Bel Air, mostly original and never involved in an accident, holds historical value. The interior has been somewhat updated while preserving the distinctive design features of the time. The car is equipped with a slider with an electric fuel pump and an electronic ignition distributor, adding extra reliability. While the car may not be perfect for exhibitions and requires some additional improvements, it presents a wonderful opportunity to acquire the legendary 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, which, despite its flaws, attracts attention and admiration. 4. Currently available for sale is the sturdy 1978 Chevrolet C10 Long Bed, priced at just $2,800. With a mileage of 80,000 miles, this Chevrolet C10 represents not just a car, but also a history that can be taken up as a project for restoration to its former glory. Externally painted in brown, giving it a unique character and with a tan interior that creates a cozy atmosphere. This car has had 2 previous owners, and its title is clean. It is also fully paid off, adding confidence to its history. However, it's worth noting that the body of this C10 is susceptible to rust. The seller honestly points out that the car was in working condition until it was parked a few months ago due to ignition issues. This provides an opportunity for a new owner to take on the challenge of restoration and bring this C10 back to life. This 1978 Chevrolet C10 Long Bed with a 350 engine is not just a restoration project. It's a chance to own a piece of Chevrolet history for an amazingly affordable price of $2,800. Your hands can breathe new life into this truck, restoring its former power and style. 5. Currently available for sale is the delightful 1962 Chevrolet Impala 2-door hardtop, priced at $49,900. With only 8,722 miles on the odometer, this car is a professionally restored masterpiece valued at over $100,000. It's not just a car, it's a work of art embodying the style and power of its era. Painted in a stunning red color with a white interior, this Chevrolet Impala captures attention at first sight. The owner poured their soul into restoring every detail of this car. It features a powerful 383 Chevrolet small block with competitive intake and exhaust valve distribution, aluminum Canfield cylinder heads, a 2-to-11/2 exhaust system with headers, MSD-CDI multi-spark ignition, and other enhancements, making it not only beautiful, but also powerful. The Richmond Super T10 close ratio transmission with included 500 EP clutch, pressure plate, cast iron bell housing, and Hurst Competition Plus shifter provides not only a stylish but also dynamic driving experience. Additionally, the 4-wheel disc brakes with perforated and slotted brake discs, along with the air suspension system with automatic leveling, 2 compressors, and Bluetooth control give this Impala outstanding performance and comfort. This 1962 Chevrolet Impala is not just beautiful, it's also functional, ready to enhance your driving experience with flair. With a clean title, no significant damages or issues, it's the perfect choice for those who appreciate history and style, offered at a price of $49,900. 6. Currently available for sale is the stylish 1965 Cadillac Calais, priced at $22,475. With a mileage of 78,235 miles, this car is not only a historical relic, but also a stylish embodiment of luxury and comfort. Painted in an exquisite turquoise color, both on the exterior and interior, this Cadillac Calais captivates attention with its elegant design. The seller honestly notes the performed upgrades, including a new brake system with discs, transmission restoration, a new fuel system, and a fresh coat of paint. The front and rear seats have been reupholstered using factory materials, creating an authentic atmosphere inside. This Cadillac Calais is not only beautiful, but also functional. With new tires and a well-preserved exterior, it's ready to enhance your road adventures. The seller emphasizes that the car not only looks great, but also provides driving pleasure, making it an excellent promotional vehicle. This 1965 Cadillac Calais is more than just a car. It's a guide to an era of style and luxury, available for purchase at $22,475. Blending the sensations of the past with a modern perspective, this car carries not only history, but also the joy of driving. 7. Currently available for sale is the elegant 1968 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $17,500. With a mileage of only 69,000 miles, this car is not just a piece of history, but an excellent example of style and elegance. Painted in a deep black color, this 1968 Chevrolet Impala is a true work of art. The seller notes that the car has had only one owner, adding to its uniqueness. The original mileage, along with new tires, creates a reliable combination of preserved authenticity and fresh updates. The interior has been restored with the replacement of the carpeting, giving the cabin a fresh feel. Additionally, the car has received a new coat of paint, giving it a striking black color that adds luxury to its appearance. These enhancements, combined with new tires, ensure that this 1968 Chevrolet Impala is ready for new road adventures. This black cherry Impala provides an opportunity to own a classic car that not only impresses with its exterior, but also guarantees a pleasant driving experience. All of this is available for the price of $17,500, making this car an excellent choice for those who appreciate style and history. 8. Currently available for sale is the stylish 1964 Chevrolet short wheelbase truck, priced at $8,000. This truck, equipped with an automatic transmission and running on gasoline, is a stunning project that has already received several significant improvements. With a clean title and no significant damage, this 1964 Chevrolet Classic promises an exciting restoration and style experience for its new owner. The seller clearly describes several important modifications made to the truck: a new brake system, front disc system on gear drives, aluminum radiator, chrome engine, new tires size 275/60/15 on 10-inch wheels, new front and rear bumpers, a new exhaust system, headers, a new battery, and much more. However, the seller honestly specifies that the truck requires some work to complete the project. He emphasizes that the price is fixed and asks only serious buyers ready to make a deal to inquire. This 1964 Chevrolet short wheelbase truck presents an excellent opportunity to take on a project with pre-made improvements while remaining affordable at a price of $8,000. The new owner can complete this project and infuse their own style, creating a unique vehicle. 9. Currently available for sale is the stylish 1966 Dodge Monaco Classic, priced at $46,999. With a mileage of 59,167 miles, this car is a true icon of its era, combining originality and power. With its green exterior and black interior, this Dodge Monaco captures attention with its unique color combination. With 2 previous owners, a clean title, and no significant damage, this car provides confidence in its history. The interior retains its originality, including window frames and interior details, adding authenticity to this vehicle. Thanks to the original 383 cubic inch engine, this Dodge Monaco is the key in the ignition for its new owner. The dedicated exhaust manifold, modified headers, and straight pipe make it stand out among other classic cars. This car has always been garage kept and features new tires and wheels. The sound system has been upgraded while preserving the original radio, connected to an amplifier for better sound. Painted in the factory color less than 3 years ago, it maintains its original appearance. This 1966 Dodge Monaco is not just a car, it's a journey into the past with modern style. Behind the wheel, it roars like a true beast and is ready to provide its new owner with the pleasure of coastal drives. 10. Currently available for sale is the elegant 1955 Ford Fairlane Victoria, priced at $25,000. With a mileage of 81,300 miles, this car represents the classic beauty of the 1950s while maintaining its original style and grandeur. With its black exterior and spacious interior, the 1955 Ford Fairlane Victoria impresses at first glance. It is equipped with a 312 engine and Ford-O-Matic automatic transmission, adding a touch of energy and smoothness to its movement. The seller emphasizes that the car has power windows but is not equipped with power brakes or power steering. This Ford Fairlane Victoria is a true fortress, free from rust or dents. The owner honestly points out the only area where defects are found: a small section above the trunk lid where the paint is slightly cracking. However, aside from that, the car looks excellent, preserving its originality. This Ford Fairlane Victoria is not just a car, it's a guide to an era of style and design harmony. Priced at $25,000, it provides a unique opportunity to own a classic car that impresses with its appearance and captures the spirit of its time.